Student again welcomes at the first chapter operating system. In this chapter I will teach you the different topics. Yesterday and before the day yesterday I have teach you I have taught you the concept of operating system. Today we will take another example of the operating system chapter. Open your next page. The operating system. The operating system is the most important program that runs on the computer because it manages all other programs. What it do? It is most important topic because it manages all other programs. Operating system do everything. Okay, so due to this its important is mostly in your computer. Without the operating system, computer is an empty box. I have told yesterday, it is a special software that manages the system resources. You will see the different uses of the operating system, out of which the first use is to manage the resources. What you mean by the resources? Resources means the devices attached with the system. You can say that CPU is attached with the printer, so printer is a resource. You can say the mouse is also the resource. You can say the scanner used with the computer is also the resource. So the resources means the devices attached with that system. You can use the operating system for managing that type of resources. It coordinates the activities of a computer system. It coordinates the activity of computer system. You can do many operations inside the operating system, so manage that all type of operations inside the computer system done with the help of operating system. Just operating system is like a administrative person, something you see into your school. One administrative person is there, he can do every operations. He has the authority to do everything. He can manage, he can give the instruction. Like that, operating system is work as an administrative person, but it is not the person. Operating system is the software, so it works inside the computer for doing different operations. It also facilitates the sharing of the system resources among different applications. Computer is made up of different applications, and every applications can use that type of resources. And operating system, what do the operating system, what is the work or the what is the task of the operating system? The operating system just distribute the work to the different applications to do with the resources. The next topic, next paragraph, you can see the operating system provide a platform for the application software to run. It acts as a host for such application software. I have told in the last lecture there are the two type of softwares are there: system software and application software. System software means we say it as operating system, and the application software is that type of software we use inside the operating system, we use inside the computer. Operating system, what do operating system helps the application software to do something. It is the platform to run that type of application softwares. It frees the application program from having to manage the hardware details. What operating system do? Operating system takes the information about the hardware system. It manages the hardware details. We will see in the next topic that how hardware parts or the hardware topics can be managed by the operating system. How it can manage by with the help of operating system. We will see in our next topics. This in turns makes it easier for the programming to write the application program. What is useful? The different program will be useful to run the application programs. Just it is a platform for running the different programs inside the system with the help of operating system. Means operating system can do everything. It is the main person. We can say it as host person, or we can't say the person, we can say the host type of software is called the operating system. Can do everything. We can see the operating system acts as an interface. Student, please underline that part. I am showing to you very clear. You can see that part. The operating system acts as an interface between the application software. What it tells us? The operating system acts as an interface between the application software. That means you can see very clearly at the image shown at the right side. User is there, application is there, operating system is there, and hardware is there. You can see the operating system and the user can use the application type of software. If user want to use the application software stored inside your computer, he will be he will meet firstly with the operating system. If user want to use something inside your computer, he must be use the operating system. After that the user can use the different softwares. That tells us the operating system is the mediator. The interface, we can say the interface between the operating system is the interface between the user and the hardware part. You can see in the image at present at the right side of your book, user is at the top and hardware is at the end. If user want to use the hardware part, and if he want to use the actual computer system, he should have to use the operating system through which he can use the hardware. So operating system is the mediator, or we can say the operating system is the interface between the user and the hardware of the system. We can say the definition, learn that definition once again. You can create your own definitions also, student, in your own word. The operating system acts as an interface between. What is interface between? Interface between the application software and computer hardware. Easily you can take the different type of notes from that. The computer user interacts with the application software, which in turn interact with the operating system, which in turns interact with the computer hardware. Thus the operating system acts as the interface between the computer hardware and user as well. Before some time I have told the meaning of that very clearly. You can understand. If you don't understand, then please comment over the YouTube. I will try to solve your problem. If you don't understand, then read the book very carefully and translate it into your mother tongue. You can be clearly learn that type of topic. We may therefore say that operating system brings the speed and power of the computer hardware closer to the computer user. Okay, the basic input output system of the computer that loads the operating system is BIOS. Okay, thank is the BIOS system. Okay, thank you student. We will meet again in our next video. Thank you.